Hey, hi. So I bet you're here because you want an organized home. Maybe you're not sure exactly how to get it. Maybe you have tried a million different things like I have. I used to be on that hamster wheel of home organizing where I would be organizing the same things over and over and over again. Through all of my research and all of my testing different methods and theories, nothing really ever stuck. Nothing ever was sustainable for me. And that was very frustrating because, again, that hamster wheel of home organizing, right? I don't have time for that. I know you don't have time for that. So, in this training, in this course, it's absolutely free. All you need to do is click the Access Now button, share your email address with me, and you will get instant access to 8 different strategies that will help you get your home organized and ultimately keep it that way. Okay. Every single thing I teach, every course I offer has sustainability in mind because I know as busy moms, as busy women, we have so much going on. And the last thing we want to do is redo something we've already done. So, in this training, I'm just going to bring out my sheet here so that I can share with you exactly what to expect, the nuts and bolts of it, if you will. So in module 1, getting it started, you're going to learn 5 strategies that will help you keep the end in mind, and keeping the end, ultimately where you want your home organizing journey to end up, keeping that in mind and knowing what that is ultimately going to help sustain the organizing that you do. In module 2, getting it done, this is where you learn the 3 strategies that will really, it's where the rubber meets the road, so to speak. It's really where you dive in, you physically start making changes, and knowing that you've done the first 5 strategies is really going to help you sustain everything you're physically doing. And I want to share the last strategy. That was the game changer. That is what changed everything within our home. And that's what has enabled the kids to continuously know exactly what they need to be doing and when it needs to be done. I'm not gonna lie to you, they don't always do it. They're kids. Why would they? I mean, they don't want to clean, they don't want to have an organized house, they don't want to tidy up, they don't want to declutter. It's okay, they're kids. At least they know what they need to be doing and what I expect of them. So that was the game changer. That 3rd strategy that I share in this training is the absolute game changer. And I'm certain it'll be the game changer for you too. So I don't want to get all salesy on you. I don't mean to do that, but it does excite me for you to know and learn how you can get your organized home, but also how you can keep it organized. Okay. So I hope to see you on the inside of this training. It's absolutely free. I really hope that I have the opportunity to get to know you better.